meet him, and he was just as surprised as me. Sits up kind of like a truck almost. Seats fit me good. I don't know, I've always just loved these cars. Well, this one. That dude has an Iron Man helmet. That is the coolest thing ever. I wish you could have saw it. Oh man, that was awesome. It was like, it legit was an Iron Man helmet. I was wondering, it looked funny when he was coming up that he didn't have, you know, the big glass, you know, or it's not like glass, you know, the visor. Didn't have a big old visor on it. Threw me off. I was like, what in the hell? All I could see, it looked like sunglasses almost, but got closer, it was damn Iron Man helmet. That was awesome. Sucks compared to ones that have, you know, the big, you know, the normal size shields on it. Never seen it, you know, look like, I've never seen it. That's awesome. Huh. I'm curious how much they are. I want to look one up. Iron Man helmet. Huh. All right, buddy. You got to get that close to my ass. RAV4 don't want none of this. I mean, seriously, dude. I'm like 10 feet from my bumper. Back the hell up. little feller. Oh, what he was thinking he was doing. Maybe he was just wanting to look inside of something cool. Not really. Not much to look at on the outside. Just some Prius wheels, that's all. It's got some Prius wheels. Slowed a little bit. Yeah, it's got an exhaust, but at least it ain't a fart can. Got a flow stopper tucked to make it look like a factory exhaust, which comes in handy, especially for cops. And I got a grill delete, carbon Fibre hood. Double yellow right there when they're trying to take that turn. I don't know why. Save them a few extra inches on their drive, I guess. And it's funny, I've been driving my Mustang a lot lately, and all of a sudden my neighbor, he buys a Mustang. Same model, same color, but I will say his looks better with the hood scooping wheels on it. I do like it. I like it a lot. Plop, 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 plop. Someday, I just want to see you. Wish mine had the hood scoop. Well, I guess that's it for today. I am home. I'm not looking forward to going inside. It's so damn hot. Alrighty.